Friends, you must have often seen in movie that pirates wear eye patches. So have you ever wondered why they apply their eye patch? Many people believe that one of their eyes gets damaged, so they apply eye patch. So let us tell you that it does not happen at all, that one eye of pirates is not damaged. But then the question comes that why do they apply eye patch? And have you heard of any such celery after taking which one cannot spend celery but can drink? And friends, have you heard about any such snack after the bite of which blood starts coming out of our body? Stay tuned till the end of the video to know more such interesting and funny facts. Friends, we have been seeing superheroes in movie and comic books since childhood who fought to save the earth from supervillains and used to protect us with his superpower. It was everyone's dream in childhood, be a superhero like him. And now grown up, so now I came to know that all this used to happen through VFX. They become superheroes in movie with the help of VFX, but in real life, friends, who does not know him today? They do not need to introduce, but those who still do not recognize him, then let us tell that his name is Gal Gadot. This is the same actress who played Wonder Woman in the movie Wonder Woman. Gal Gadot was 5 months pregnant during the shooting of Wonder Woman. This is called being a Wonder Woman in real life. Our blood is responsible for transporting oxygen to all our tissue and organs, and in this work our heart helps, which transport blood with speed from head to toe to all the tissue. We are human normal 6 feet. This is what we need, a heart. And do you know this thing? The dinosaur named Barysaurus was a 40 feet long neck, so used to come to at heart to deliver his blood brain. You must have eaten apple. And do you know this fact about apple? Apple consists of so different in the whole world. Even if we eat apples different variety every day, we cannot taste all the varieties in 20 years. We are found to be snapped on different species on our earth. Some are poison and there are nothing toxic. From such a poisonous snake, we will introduce you, whose name is Boomslang. The snake name called Boomslang is so dangerous when it cuts a person, so bleeding from every single hole of that person's body. This happens often with us, that whenever we had to go out or some important work was done, and at that time your mobile battery gets low, and whenever you are in such a situation, you charge your phone by keeping it on airplane mode. Then your phone will be charged quickly. And do you know this thing? Owls can roam their neck at 360 degrees. So we tell you that the eyes of the owl are as big as their brain. Whoever does not move rather fix a place. For this reason, owl can also rotate their neck and 360 degrees to see it. Have you ever thought why do people look better after applying sunglasses? Actually, this is its reason, that whenever you wear sunglasses, your face look more attractive than before because it creates illusion. That is, your jawline shows sharpness, which make you look better. Friends, such accidents often happen in our life, in whom we don't believe at all. A similar incident happened in Congo, Africa. Actually, this is from 1998, when a football match was going on in Congo, Africa. Then suddenly lightning fell from the sky, and the surprising thing is that all 11 players of one team died, while none of the players of the other team got hurt. A recently scientific research says if global warming continues to increase in this way, then by the 2100 50% more lightning will start falling from the sky than today. Friends, we humans can hold our breath for a few minutes at most, and we humans cannot live without eating food for more than 10 days. And do you know that scorpion can hold its breath for 6 days and can live for 1 year without eating food? And do you know this? The pyramid in Egypt and the workers who built the pyramid as a salary, thus labor we are given 4 liters of beer daily, not money. There used to be 30 types of rhinoceros on earth in earlier times, of which today only 5 species of rhinoceros are left. We humans have killed the rest of the species. Apart from India, Nepal, Indonesia and Africa, there is no rhinoceros anywhere on this whole earth, and the rhinoceros that survive today, their future is also in danger. The main reason for hunting rhinoceros is the lure of getting horns of rhinoceros. In many Asian countries, the value of keratin found in the horn of rhinoceros is more than that of gold and cocaine. The cost of 1 kilogram of rhinoceros horn is $50,000 and both of their horns are 3 to 5 kg. Whoever is born in this world, he dies with increasing age. And do you know that the age of our hair is 7 years? Our hair grows for 7 years. After 7 years, he falls apart. In its place comes new hair. And friends, after watching this video, you must watch this video. In this video, we have told you why only men are bald, why not women. You will find the link of this video in the description. Friends, you will be surprised to know that pirates supply eye patch. There is a very deep secret behind it. As you would know that pirates rob and they have to fight many times in night and day. And while fighting the ship, you also have to go to the deck where it is very dark. And we all know that if we go from light to dark, then it takes us some time to see in the dark. It takes time for our eyes to adjust. So to reduce this time, pirates used to put a blindfold on one of their eyes so that if he wants to go to the deck of his ship and see in the dark, he removes his blindfold and in no time he can see well even in the dark. So this was the fact behind it. You must have often felt that whenever you go from light to dark room, it takes time for you to see in the dark. Pirates used to put a blindfold on one of their eyes and adjust that eye to see in the dark. There is no history or experiment about this matter, but once research was done on it and it was found that when going from light to darkness, our eyes are able to see completely only after 25 minutes. Before 25 minutes, can't see from. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to see more such videos in future.